thinking. Hello, everyone. This morning we are going to make cheese curds. We are going to wait a few minutes here. Um, and if you're watching live, click check live or comment live. And if you're watching our replay, comment replay. You can also ask for a recipe by commenting recipe. We'll just wait a few minutes to see if anybody hops on. And then we will get started here. I have my husband Lee here with me, and he's going to be making my addiction. Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning.
And for this recipe, we're going to be using our one-touch canister here. It has flour. What I like about this canister, it has in the front, it shows, where's the front? There it goes. It shows where your flour is. It shows whatever spice you put in there. And then we're going to use our quick shake, our measuring cups, and our junior that's a bowl. We're also going to be using our vent and serves as well over here. So Lee, go ahead and start.
All right, so what you're going to want to do first is add your dry components into your junior mixable. That's a bowl. Hopefully you have one too because they're great. I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then I combined the 3/4 cup of beer that we had into this bowl. Because if you put in the shaker with the rest of the liquids, it's going to make a mess because it's carbonated.
I learned my lesson.
So I combined that real well together, and then I added 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk to this, shook it up till it was good consistency, added it to this, and mixed it up and made the batter. Then I folded in the cheese curds, and you can fold in whatever else you want in there too. I like jalapeno in mine.
And that's where the vent and serves came into handy. We already had the batter separated. And in here you can see he has little diced up jalapenos. You can do whole jalapenos if you want that surprise of just grabbing a jalapeno instead of a cheese curd. I'm not a spicy person. I like plain. So
I live on the edge.
So in my vent and serve, I just have plain cheese curds. And then you go ahead and throw it.
I use 40 ounces of vegetable oil. The recipe that we're going to send calls for 2 quarts of corn oil. Either or works great. If you're going to use an electric fryer or a stovetop, you want to get it to 350 degrees before you start. You can test that by dropping a little bit of batter in there and see how fast it cooks. You're going to want to evenly layer and drop with good separation in between where you're dropping the curds so they don't all stick together and make one ginormous curd. Which
continuously stir.
Is not what we want.
No. So, by the magic of television, we already have some delicious cheese curds. Here are the plain original ones, and then we have Lee's jalapeno ones. And we're going to go ahead and try them. I've been waiting all morning, and so have my kids. Tastes just like the state fair. The cheese curds we do use are the Ellsworth cheese curds, but any work for it. And I hope you enjoy trying them out. And definitely brown them until at least they're golden brown, depending on how long your oil has been sitting out. I know a lot of people like to reuse oil. So if your oil's older, it'll cook faster. If it's new, it'll take a little longer, at max about 10 minutes. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Bye.